Are you hungry? We'll go back and get some dinner soon. We've come right to the top, haven't we?
I think
The top of the track, right beside Pete's. To come and have a look at this view.
I remember target shooting soon.
You getting some pictures, love?
Yeah, can. There's a song about that, isn't there? What song would you say, Perda?
Huh?
What song would you say for that?
I don't know.
Lonesome Pine.
Really pretty.
On the blue.
Apparently people come up and use this spot for a park up, make a nice park up this. What's up with you, missus?
I was trying to do my feet better.
Okay. I think we're going to have another day, 2, maybe 3 here and then start heading down south again.
Oh, digging the new hair look. Just got up, just come back to bed. Yeah, so I've got a bit of a dicky tummy today. Bit too much rich living, I think. Had a curry the other night. I've had beef 2 weeks running. Ow. So, never mind. Decided to eat light. So tonight I'm having chicken and ham soup. Said to Kirsty, can you just leave the kitchen tidy? Can you just leave the kitchen tidy so as I can get mine? Give me a marks out of 10, guys, on tidiness. So here we see Kirsty's tidy kitchen. The ham's mine. Kirsty's had chilli and chips for tea. Chip pan still out. Curry pan still out. I don't drink red wine. That's not my melon. I haven't had sunflower oil. That's not my glass. I'm responsible for one of those cups. Kirsty did say just before she went out the door, the kitchen's tidy. So yeah, guys, give Kirsty a mark out of 10 on how tidy her kitchen is. Don't know if you can see that, guys, but those clouds over there, over the mountains, they just look from here like a forest of trees.
It doesn't even look real.
Mental, isn't it? Absolutely mental.
Well, guys, just as it comes in cold, guess what? Another problem with the diesel heater. When we switched it on, the pump's not starting up, so I've isolated that pump there. Unfortunately, Pete says this morning, passed that over. He says if it works, use it. If it doesn't, don't. So yeah, we kind of landed up at Pete's and fell in the right place for this going wrong. So like I said, cut that off. I'm going to quickly couple the other pump up. The pipes were really cold, so I had to cut them off. So I've got some hot water there and a cup of coffee. Hot water there to dip the end of the pipes in, just soften them up a little bit. I'm not going to vlog this bit because I need my hands and there's not an awful lot of light down there anywhere. So here's where my work steps in again. Let's hope it's as simple a fix as that. Kirsty's just primed the pump and we've just given it a fire up. So let's see if this pump kicks some juice through. If not, then obviously the heater's going to have to come out and be serviced and all the rest of it, and I ain't looking forward to doing that. Well, the pump's just started clicking. See if it fires up now and goes through its full sequence. Kaylin,
Why?
what are you just giving me?
I can't.
Oh, right. Why have you given me your coat?
Because I don't need that.
Because you don't need it.
It's not raining.
It's right. Is it dry? No. Your coat's not dry.
No.
Why might that be? Huh? What are you doing?
Making some special water for chicken.
You're making some special water for the chicken. Are you keeping nice and dry? What?
I'm keeping these clothes dry.
You're keeping those clothes dry? Okay. I believe you.
You put some special stuff in it.
You put some special stuff in it. Oh.
These are special.
What was the special stuff you've put in it? Your sleeves?
No.
Oh. Okay.
I'm just making them for chicken.
Okay. Bless her.
Loch Allen, 178 people died on a boat coming back from Carrick-on-Shannon in bad weather.
What, just tipped over?
Capsized, yeah, capsized. Bringing cattle from market and food and that.
And where we're going today? Loch Allen.
Loch Allen.
Loch Gill.
Sorry, Loch Allen.
Loch Allen.
Loch Allen.
So we saw Loch Gill the other day when we went for a ride out, and today we're off to Loch Allen.
So we've been here for exactly a week today. And we've spent all morning getting packed up, showered and ready to go. Just about to be escorted out because it's very hard to find this place. So Pete's going to drive us to the nearest garage and then we'll type whatever we want into the sat nav. Head a bit further south. Got about 3 hours driving to go, haven't we? But yeah, we'll just get driven down there and say our goodbyes to Pete first.
I don't want this one.
Have you pulled your shoes apart?
We'll just pull it off then if you don't want it.
Lordy.
There you go.
I still want to keep
That's it
it.
then.
Right. Right, we're going to say our goodbyes now, aren't we,
Right.
Pete?
Oh,
We're
au
off,
revoir
Stiz.
for now.
Well,
For now.
Anyway. Sorry.
We'll see you on the
Sorry, I'll
flip
see you
side.
later, innit?
Yeah.
See you on the flip side of today. Right, Peter. Take it easy, bud. Listen,
Yeah,
right,
it's been a good journey.
Everything.
You going to say bye?
Jump round here, Kirsty.
go on.
You going to say bye?
Go on, shake hands.
We're going.
Keep on stroking that bit of turf. Bring your luck.
Does it?
No.
Oh.
We
could try it though. We could try it. Might work for us.
Always fuel a fire up anyway, couldn't we?
Well,
That was
back on the road again.
yeah, that was awesome, Pete and
Thank
Maggie.
you. Oh,
Thank
and Maggie.
you so much.
We miss you.
Yeah,
We've
and
been
sorry,
gone for 2
sorry
days,
we've
haven't
missed
we?
you.
Did you miss Maggie? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Never mind.
We'll
you
see
just
him
carry
again
on
soon.
chewing the rubber on your shoe.
So yeah, time to hit the road, love. Next beach.
Any fishing?
I don't know, but we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.